Assalamualaikum and hi class. Okay, I would like to deliver the last subchapter through chapter number 1, which is about evolutions. And of course, as usual, before we start our lesson, there actually an OBE or outcome-based education. After finishing this subchapter, you should be able to understand about evolution, okay, of natural selection. Okay, if you look at that, this is actually happened, okay, a long time ago, was a long time ago, about a change from three types of organism here, which are number one, of course, the horse itself, number two, dolphin, and number three is about human being. And the change, they are very it take a very long time, from the beginning at the end. As you can see from here, for example, for the horse itself, for the beginning of their life, they are very short. They're very short, they're very dwarf, I mean small. And after sometimes a few, if you look at that, they actually a time constraint actually. And the latest one, they have become very good looking. The horse look very big, very beautiful. And of course, for dolphin and human being also the same thing. So evolution is actually about a change for long term one. Okay, what is evolution? Of course, I've told you before, evolution is actually a change in any attribute of population over the time. Okay, not individual and not individuals. And evolutionary change leads to adaptation, means they have to adapt with the environment. And of course, the change is actually more into the changes of gene or alleles in population over generations. And what produced evolution change? Of course, this is through Darwin. Darwin and Wallace, 1853. They said about natural selection, differential success, survival, or the production of enduring population within given environment adaptation. Of course, again, this is more into the adaptation of the organism involved. Okay. So this is actually about artificial selection. And if you still recall about our sugar that we have taken every day, that we take every day, that one is actually the crystal one. That one is actually an artificial one, artificial sugar, whereby to produce the artificial sugar, there actually a chemical added inside, and this is created by the human being. This is called artificial. Okay, same thing goes to artificial selection. If you look at that, this is actually a process whereby humans choose certain traits of organism over others by implementing breeding programs. If you look at that, they are very good look. Okay, from the previous and one, and after the breeding happened. Okay. Other example, if you look at that, it's actually about wheat, corn, rice, chicken, etc., etc. For artificial selection, in the process of artificial selection, humans have modified other species over many generations by selecting and breeding individuals that possess desired trait. So this is actually about what I have told before. They have to make it, or they have to modify it, okay, through the DNA. Okay, this is about natural selection. We continue later on.